What's up? It's dusk and I'm in an incredible place in the Heshi corridor at Jiayuguan Pass. Jiayuguan has one of like the old amazing Great Walls. I'm gonna go see that tomorrow. You can see mountains over here. You can see mountains over here. And then the Great Wall is in over there somewhere. Old Great Wall. But I'm in an abandoned mining quarry town type thing. Because why not? Just want to go take a look around. I believe no one lives here or works here anymore. Oh. Let's go see how these people used to live. Probably not too long ago. I guess probably within relatively recent timetable. At least probably within the last 20 years, within the 21st century. People were probably living here and working in this quarry or mine or whatever it is. And there may still be people living here, but I find it very doubtful. Yorima? No. Very dusty. Oh man. Okay. Interesting. See if there's anything that gives us clues to when these people left. Any posters on the wall? Any electronic device or something? It's been a while. Okay, I don't want to go too far inside. Sorry, I'm not that brave. I don't want to fall in a hole, some collapsed floor somewhere. Oh, it's getting kind of chilly here as the sun goes down. There's so many cool places like this in China. Cool or sad or whatever you want to, however you think. Somebody's abandoned mahjong set. It's a nice set too. If you're into urban exploration, which I'm not really, I don't mind walking around places like this, but I'm not like a big time urban explorer, adventurer type person. But if you are one, welcome to China. Because this is the place for you. There is a channel of a guy, Burbex. He does some pretty cool urban exploration in China. Seems like everything's quite old here. It's been a long time since people lived here. I'm still gonna guess though. I'm still gonna guess it's probably within the last 2 decades. Okay, let's pop on over here and then head back to the car. Oh. Actually, I was looking for a lake. The navigation took me to here instead. It's supposed to be Blackwater Lake or something. think it's all pretty much more or less the same. Go back to the car. Go see what they were doing, what they were making. Maybe somebody smarter than me will be able to tell me. Because there's like a big kiln or something. There's chimneys. Let's just go walk over here and look. Maybe they were digging up coal or some rocks, or I don't know. See, there's like a chimney stack right there. And there's another one way over there. And then over here, it looks like kilns. I haven't walked over here. I'm probably wrong. It looks like some big ovens or something. And a bunch of them over there too. Maybe they're making bricks. This thing's made out of bricks. More bricks on the ground. Bricks, 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 more bricks. This looks like there's a bunch of roof shingles in here. Could that possibly be what they were making? Probably. Are these ovens? Are these kilns? What are these? Here's a shingle. Bunch of them in there. Okay. A whole bunch more bricks on the ground everywhere. Okay, cool. I have no idea, but it's cool. Please, viewers, I beg of you, if you know what this place once was, please report back to me in the comments. If you have a good suggestion, a good comment, a good guess, I will sticky your post so everybody knows that you're the smart one. When do you guys think this place was abandoned? Do you think same as me? Probably, I would even guess probably within the last decade. This section over here looks almost like either a school or like administration buildings for this factory place or something. There's a chalkboard, but in China they used to put like town notifications and news up on stuff like that. But this really looks like a school. Let me go check this. I don't know. All these chairs. Hard hat, so I guess it's not a school. It's still a factory or quarry. Although there's a bench. Too small. The room's too small for a school. It's got to be offices for these employees. Got a desk. Is that a clock? No, it's a mirror. Hello. Place for them to cook or to stay warm, perhaps. Where we go? Okay. Whoa, a lot of broken glass. Be careful, Eric. Somebody was planning on having a children's birthday party or something, or selling ice cream. Hundreds of paper cups, party cups. Maybe somebody had a grand idea of selling ice cream to the workers out here, and that fell through and this place fell apart. I don't know. Ooh, a lot of glass. Oh, ouch. There goes my foot. Do I want to go in here? Yeah. It's creepy as hell. It's like Resident Evil. Nothing in here except probably death and disease and poo-poo. Yeah, all right. I'm out of here. Look at that cool tree. I wish there was even a clue of what this place was, like on the archway here, on the entryway. Usually a business would have it, but this one has no writing. What a crazy place. I saw this building I was driving out, and I thought it looked really cool. And my other camera has no battery left, so sorry for the change. But here, the sign, I can't read everything, but I can read this. It says E. Joe Babanian. That means 1988. So I don't know when it was abandoned, but I know when the sign was put up. It was put up in 1988. So it could be when this foundry or whatever place was founded. It could be anything. I'll put a link to the picture so you guys can read what it says if you can read handwritten Chinese. It's very odd. These two rooms are mirrored. This whole building is mirrored exactly, almost like it should be a public restroom. How they in China usually they'll do like the entryway, or probably every country, but they'll have the the entryway and then exactly on both sides, man and woman bathroom. But here they have they have that sign I just showed you. Then they have seriously what looks like a train station, an old-fashioned train station waiting for windshield. And they have like a ticket counter or ticket window, then another waiting room. I'm sorry if this shakes because I'm holding handheld, but I think it's interesting enough that you guys might not mind. Let me pop out here to the back, and it's amazing. Alright, so I made it over here, that I still don't know what it is, but look, there's still a lot more shingles and bricks lined up here. What are they doing? Please friends, teach me about what's happening here in the past. There's another sign. I hope somebody can read it. I'll take another picture of this one as well. And I'll, again, post it in the description, a link to it. So Chinese people that can read better than me can read this. It's beautiful script. What else can we find? Soft. Please don't fall into anything. And please no more earthquakes out here. Alright, so I'm just gonna end it here. I hope you guys can hear me just fine. This wind, holding my phone. I hope it's not too distracting, too bumpy for you. I hope it's well worth watching. And before I go, I just want to say two things, I guess. One, it must have absolutely sucked to work out here and to live out here. It would have been terrible. But two, you couldn't ask for a more beautiful location. Seriously, far western China, northern China, all over China is beautiful. There's so many beautiful landscapes. But I'm really partial to arid, dry mountain landscapes. I just amazing. And I'm so grateful to be able to share this stuff with you guys, whoever's out there watching. So make sure you leave a comment because I love seeing it. I hope you made it to the end. Bye bye, take care. Sorry to waste your time talking too slow. Okay, bye bye.